It was a beautiful Saturday afternoon, and I hadn't been over to the Emerald Mountain Golf Club for a while, so I thought I would go over there and check out a few of the holes. This is hole number 1, Teabox, going out. Beautiful setting. Little tight fairway there. A few folks are out there playing. Anyway, the course is coming along rather nicely. It's very playable. The greens are taking shape, look really good. Anyway, coming up on a little hazard here, little creek hazard, little gully. Coming up on the number 1 green up here. It's a 150-yard marker. And we're going to hop over to number 2 here in the lower right-hand corner there, adjacent to the number 8 green there. It's a number 8 hole coming in. And we're going to go a little bit over some of the Emerald Mountain area, going out to, there's hole number 7 to the right there, little patch of green there, and on up to number 6 where the ravine is, where they have the erosion problem that they've been working on for quite some time. I hope they've gotten it under control. And there is number 6 green that comes across that ravine. A few folks down there playing. And that is the number 5 fairway and green tucked in there to the right, right here. Again, there's the number 6 green over the ravine, and the number 7 fairway going out, coming back in towards the clubhouse. Beautiful Emerald Mountain, the beautiful hills with all the trees and greenery. A lot of the fall colors are starting to show up a little bit, not much, but a little bit. That is the number 8 fairway and the number 2 green right ahead of it, coming into the clubhouse there. Now that's the number 9 Teabox coming back into the clubhouse. And again, you can see the greens, I mean the fairways are in very playable shape. A little rough, but very playable. It's coming right along. It's way ahead of where it was a few years ago when Lewis started working on it. Anyway, we're going to catch up to a couple of guys up here on the number 9 green, see how they do. Apparently they're playing best ball because they're all putting from the same spot. Let's see how they do. That's not too bad. There we go. Oh, almost. Not quite. Let's see how this guy does. Looks like it's online. All right. Well, there are going to be 3 happy guys coming off number 9, getting ready to go to number 10. I think they saw my drone up in the air and kind of give me the high sign there. Anyway, if you like this video, this type of video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.